guys, it's your girl M. Vaughn is live streaming, so you're probably gonna hear him in the background. Sorry, it is what it is. You girls gotta eat, and I wanted to film this and make this cooking video, make this TikTok grinder sub. If you haven't seen it, it's all over TikTok. It looks so good. I'm a little late to it. Like, I think the real height of the popularity was a week or so ago, but I'm so excited to try it. I'll go ahead and show you the ingredients. I'll probably put a link to the video that I saw. I'll put a link to that in the description down below. Here are my ingredients. Now I'm kind of having to improvise a little bit because Trader Joe's today didn't have some of the things that I needed. So it is what it is. I'll tell you what's different and what's not. So let me show you the ingredients. Okay, so I have a ciabatta roll here. They didn't really have rolls, like hoagie rolls, so I'm just using a ciabatta. I love ciabatta anyways, so that's what I'm using. I have turkey breast, I have pepperoni, and then I have provolone and salami. I have tomatoes here, and I put salt and pepper on the tomatoes. If you're not seasoning your tomatoes with salt and pepper, you're doing it wrong. I have romaine lettuce. I just chopped up one romaine heart here. Usually you would do a head of lettuce, but Trader Joe's didn't have any, so that's what we're doing. And then I thinly sliced up some onion, red onion. So we have that there. I have 2 cloves of garlic minced. I have pepperoncinis. I have a half a cup. We've got Parmesan. I'm gonna use a cup of mayo. We have oregano and red peppers and red wine vinegar. Also, we'll be using salt and pepper. And this is the packaging for the Trader Joe's thing. I got the ciabatta demi baguette. Okay, and Abel is sleeping on the couch. So here we go. I just wanted to mix this all up. There we go. My hands are clean, and I'm the one eating this, so even if they weren't, that's my business, not yours. Okay, so I'm gonna add my half cup of pepperoncinis in there. Go ahead and put that there. Gonna add my garlic. Okay. And then I'm gonna add, this is just a half a cup, so I'm gonna do 2 of these. Probably could have got some mayo. Well, those at Trader Joe's, I didn't realize I was. Okay. There's about a half cup. Scoop a little bit more in there because I want it to be nice and creamy. Okay. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. 1, 2. Okay. I'm gonna mix it up. Look at that. Got some mayo on my hands, wash that off. Okay, I have my oven preheated at 350, by the way. I'm gonna add my crushed red pepper. Oregano. Some salt. And fresh cracked pepper. Mix. Looks so good. All right, I'm gonna set that to the side. And I'm gonna go ahead and add should we do first? This is really thin provolone. So I'm gonna add some cheese to the ciabatta roll.
I've seen people with this, but I never seen it. Oh, it's fine. Okay.
Okay, you guys are just gonna have to take my word for it. I'm gonna add my salami. I'm just folding it like in half.
Like, I just got on the game and I can't even catch a break already. Like, what the fuck? Carissa, how you doing, sweetie?
And then I'm gonna add some of this pepperoni.
Bro, like, the weirdest shit happened already, bro.
I'm gonna go with the provolone.
It's a weird ass hobby.
There we go. Okay.
These for sure chicken.
And now I'm gonna take some of this turkey breast. I'm gonna put it over here. And take my Parmesan. We're gonna bake this for a little bit and let the Parmesan get melty, the provolone get melty, and it's gonna be so good. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so it's nice and warm and looks so delicious. And now it's time to add the salad thing that I made. The like dressing. I'm gonna add the tomatoes on top. Oh my goodness. Y'all see it? Hold on. My hands have tomato juice on them. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm just gonna put this bad boy on top and we have a sandwich. We have a hoagie. Okay guys, so I cut it in half. This is one half of it. Looking good. And here's the other half. It looks delicious. I'm so excited to try. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm trying these everything but the bagel kettle chips. And then I have some Nathan's pickle chips on the side. Now my grinder. Oh my gosh. This is the perfect summer meal. For lunch, dinner, whatever. My mouth is watering. Okay, we're gonna try this. Also, the lady that I saw do it, she said to try dipping your potato chips in the salad. So I'm gonna try that too.
Bro, these guys are so trash. They're so trash. Extra place on the body.
Oh yeah. This is so fire already. Okay. Let's try the sandwich. When I tell you, I'm making a mess. This is everything I imagined, everything I wanted and more. This is so freaking This is so perfect. Honestly, I don't even feel like I'm missing out. Like, this being on the ciabatta is actually really, really good.
We got a little UAV money.
It was a good choice.
You go.
So if you can get ciabatta,
There's no ladder.
if you can get the one I got at Trader Joe's,
The closest one is
I highly recommend. Because it's crustier, so it's not like gonna be as sloppy. You know what I'm saying? Like, it can handle the dressing. Like, the dressing, like, softens the bread a little bit. You know what I'm saying? This is, honestly, I thought that I was just gonna eat half, but I think I'm gonna eat the other half too, because this is so good. I highly recommend it. I wish I would have gotten another ciabatta roll. Because I have enough ingredients to make a whole other one. You live and you learn. This might be my new favorite thing ever, life.
We got my UAV right here.
And next time, instead of getting turkey, I think I'm gonna get prosciutto. Amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think. Check out my Twitter at @EmmyandMan and my Instagram at Midwest Mansfield. Make this. Check out the TikTok in the description down below. I'm giving them credit. I don't think they're the first one that made it, but they're the one that I saw. So, check it out. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, 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 mwah. I am like a mess.